how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country easy and quickly. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First, all you need to do, just make sure open task manager and make sure your browser is not running in your background, and then just if you find it, just let's say that let's say that this is ChatGPT. Right click on it and end task, and after I mean, if you find your browser, just end it, and then just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, try to change your Wi-Fi, or you can just turn it off and turn it on again. And if you are using a cable, just remove it and connect it to your PC again, and then open your browser and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.